Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make wonderful tuna cutlets. Basic tuna cutlets, so delicious to eat and so little ingredients which you can find at home. I'm sure you will love this. So let's get started how to make these wonderful cutlets. I'm going to start by taking 1 tin of tuna meat. These are light meat tuna flakes. I'm going to be using the water and the meat. So if you don't like the water, you can throw it out. But for me, it's okay. I'm going to use it. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. Take 1 large onion and put it in my chopper. 3 green chilies and around 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Once it's finely chopped, I'm going to now add this to my tuna. Mix this. Okay, so once you've mixed all this, our next ingredient will be stale bread. I'm going to use about 6 slices of stale bread, which I'll directly add right now, and let it soak inside the wet ingredient. Okay, so I'm going to mix this nicely and get back to you. To this, now I'm going to add half a cup of plain flour and mix. Alright, until it forms into a gooey mixture. Finally, I'm going to add some chopped coriander. Okay, and now let's season it. Keep in mind that the water of the tuna already has salt, so you may want to first check if you require salt. I just checked it, it does not need salt, so do check your batter before you actually go ahead and add salt, because the water already contains salt and you don't require to add. But it all depends on what brand you're using as well. Some may have low sodium, some may not. So check your batter before you actually add the salt. finally, I'm now going to season it with a little bit of pepper. That's it. Alright then, let's go ahead and start frying them. Mix it well first and then start frying them. Okay. Look how easy it is. Plus, you make do with whatever ingredients you have at home. Everybody keeps onion, garlic at home, chilies at home. Plus you also have coriander a little bit. And of course you have eggs. And you can always go and buy 1 tin of tuna, which you can store at home, which would hardly cost you not more than $1 or so. So depending on what brand you're using, I reckon that you use the one with water instead of oil, because you can use that water to season your patties. Okay, look how wonderful the batter now looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and start frying them. Let's add some oil in a pan. Okay, so once the oil heats up, I'm going to start adding a spoonful of. Okay, I'm going to add this like this and flatten it. Just turn your flame a little low. Put it on low. Okay, so that it cooks right through. Now I'm going to brown both sides and cook it. So here you go. My tuna cutlets are ready. Look how wonderful they look and delicious. So appetizing. I hope you will try this at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the recipe and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.